Okay, so this video right now is about Stick'em. You guys should probably know about that if you have a webcam. It's like MySpace world, but for webcams. There's a lot of Stick'em users that are Stick'em famous, like MySpace famous, whatever. Like, for example, Anthony Vanity. He's like the Jeffree Star of Stick'em. He's a sweetheart. He does talk to you. Unlike a lot of other people, like, let's say John Hawk. If you're not pretty or he doesn't think that he can fuck you, he's not going to talk to you.
Actually, that's not true.
Because
John Hawk talks to ugly people all the time. Fat ones.
Really, he's never talked to me. Maybe he likes the ugly fat girls. My little brother just came in the room, by the way.
Do you have my iPhone?
Yeah, I'm listening to it. No. I'm listening to it.
Can you listen to it on your computer?
No. No. No.
Listen to your iPod.
It's broken.
Buy a new one.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Go away.
No.
Go away.
John Hawk is cute and
go away.
he deserves to be a Stick'em king
I'm listening to it.
he's sexy and delicious.
Make me angry.
I'm makes you angry.
Can I have one of those then?
Yeah? If you get out of my room.
Okay. And I'm gonna take one and get out of your reach.
Okay. Good deal.
Yes.
Close my door all the way. All the way. No, it's not all the way. Whatever. Sorry about that. Yeah, John Hawk.
Sexy, delicious, tasty.
She wants to marry him. Have his babies.
I just think he's cute and he's fun to talk to and he makes the chat room interesting.
And I totally disagree. I think if he left Stick'em, it'd be a better place.
How would it be a better place?
Because he's gotten banned like 5 times already for showing underage girls his peen.
They weren't just underage girls, like, there's no proof of that.
She's gonna back him up because she loves him.
Well, he's worth loving.
And I hope he watches this to see how much she loves him. And they'll get married one day, I know it. Just kidding. I don't think they will. But I also think it's really dumb how, like, all the MySpace famous and, like, the Stick'em famous people fight. And, like, all the sticky drama and all that type of stuff. Like, what's the point of it? It's over a computer. Are you really going to fly somewhere and beat someone's ass because of it? Probably not. So really, what's the point of making a video like Audrey Kitchen bashing on John Hawk, like, or Anthony Vanity and John Hawk fighting over videos? Like, I just don't get the point of it. Like, I don't know. It's stupid.
You contradicted yourself right
I know, didn't I? I was about to say that. Like, I know I'm talking about John Hawk and, like, how he shouldn't be on Stick'em, but I'm not having a fight with him on my Stick'em. I'm just stating an opinion.
I don't know. As much as it's dumb, I love Stick'em fighting. I love MySpace fighting too. I love it all. I think it's so funny to read and watch and listen to. It's like just watching other people do that.
Newsflash, did you know Matthew Lush is trying to be on Paris Hilton's new BFF, number 2? Yeah, I found that out the other day. Random fact. What else?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure we're out of ideas.